Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Tronlink. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up Google Chrome. I've already got the Tronlink extension already installed. So now from here I'm going to click on extensions, going to click on Tronlink. And now this little pop-up will appear. You can change the language if you like. So you've got English and these two other languages. I'm not too sure what they are. So you've got a few different languages to pick from. From here, click on Create Wallet. And now you want to read the user agreement. And now scroll down to I agree. And now from this little box here, create HD wallet. So HD wallet accounts on both Tron and EVM networks will be created. You have full control over your crypto assets as your mnemonic is encrypted and securely stored on your device. So you can give your wallet a name. So from here, I'm going to call this, say, tutorial Wiz, and now give it a password and enter the password in again. So I'm going to pause this video and get back to you once I've done that. All right, I've done that. Now I'm going to click on create wallet, and success, accounts are created on the following networks. And now from here, click on backup wallet, and then you want to enter in your password. So I'll pause this and click confirm. All right, I've done that. Now I'm going to click confirm. And then you want to back up. So please write the mnemonic on the paper and store it safely. So your mnemonic consists of 12 to 24 words. Anyone with your mnemonic can access all your assets. So please store it safely. So click on backup, and then you want to click on view. And from here, this is where you want to write down and store these safely. So yeah, go get a pen and paper and write these down, or you can take a screenshot and cut this out and store that safely as well. So once you've done that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my snipping tool here. All right, so I'm going to click on new. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this little, because essentially you just want 1 to 12. So I'm going to click on save. Just going to save this to my downloads. Just going to keep it like that. This is just purely for demonstration purposes. So there it is there. And now I'm going to get back to where I was. So where it is here. Now I'm going to click on backup, view mnemonic, and now click on already backup. And now what you want to do is please select the word number 10. So if I just open up this again, so word number 10 is various. So I'm going to choose various, click next. Number 9 is flip. It's going to choose flip. Now the next one is what's word number 12. 12 is tool. So I'm going to click on tool here and click confirm. And once that has done, you'll log into your Tronlink and you would have created a new account, and now you're logged into your Tronlink extension on your web browser. And from here you can send, receive, stake, vote, more, and you can have a look at your assets, your Tron, USD, USDT as well.